Today I have a Lenevo B50 laptop, and this laptop problem is power is not turning on. Today I'll pick this laptop. Let's plug in the charger. Charger is plugging, but power is not working. Okay, here is no sign also. And check this voltage. What happened? Here is 20 volts is present. Charger is okay. Okay, let's try to fix this plugin, but here is no sign. Okay, let's open this laptop and check it. Where is the problem? Okay, after opening all this screw, and I will show this. After opening the laptop, and you can see here is no light. Here is no light, and this is the power button. Pressing this, no response. Okay, and this is the laptop motherboard, and they did not use any cooling fan. Okay, here is a big size heat sink they use. Okay, plug in this. No response. Check the voltage. Here is any voltage or not. And this is the ground pin, and this one is positive, but here is no voltage showing. Here is no voltage, and this one is ground, no voltage. Okay, this is also okay, but I think here should be present voltage. Okay, this is the main power input, but here is no voltage. Let's check it, the charger again. Here is the voltage or not, but here is a 20 voltage present, but here is no voltage. Again I am plugging this. Check it here, but here is no voltage showing. What happened? And here is any problem. This jack connector. I open this connector and check it. What wrong here? That will be T-spark, but here is voltage present. Again, let's plug in this. Yeah, is purple. No response. Let's check it. No voltage present. Voltage gone dropped. Maybe here is any short circuit, and due to the short circuit, this charger voltage is dropped here. Okay, I need to find out this. Where is the short circuit happened? And here is some of capacitor, and this is showing short. Okay, this one also showing short. I need to find out. Here is some capacitor shorted, that's why it's dropping the voltage and which one exactly I need to find out. This one showing shorted. Here is another one. This one also showing short. And I need to be clean this circuit because of here is so many dust, and due to the dust this capacitor color change and discolor it. Okay, and here is some of his spot. Okay, and this cap's color gone discolor, and this side also, this one also, you can see this. And let's take the opposite side. Here is also no any physical damage, liquid damage also. You can see this here. Here is something at burn. This one. Okay. Maybe this cap's gone burn. You can understand that. Okay. Let's see clearly. And you can see this capacitor gone burn. Let's open it. Okay, after opening the capacitor, check the circuit here. Yep, our circuit is okay maybe, and here is no short circuit, and you can see this, no short circuit here. Give the power, but still here is no sign. Where is the power button? Yep, you can see here is a LED is glowing. Okay, maybe it will be okay. Let's plug in the display and check it. And connect the display. Okay, plug in the charger, turn on the power, check it. What happened? Yep, this process come, and here is a no hard drive installed, and that's why showing this message. And you can see this. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.